God, we're really tired. I just want to go back to sleep, but I don't think I can. I've got this on my eyes, like, because I put chocolate button on my ears and it melted on me. He's like right here. He's looking away. Yeah, do you think we should go to sleep or not? Because I know I'm really tired as well, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Hey!
He keeps like coming and he slaps me. You cannot see your hand. Yeah, so that's it. We'll have to leave the bed as well in it, so I feel like I should leave it, but I'm never gonna. Never ever.
We have supplies.
Yep. If you want to watch the first video, like part 1 and part 2 and part 4, yeah. And I'm actually really scared about the noises. I don't think I can handle
Guys, have
it.
you seen creepy noises?
Yeah.
That's a video that we made only because we were hearing creepy noises.
You won. You were asleep.
Yeah, I was asleep.
So just to give
But
you...
Lydia won.
Yeah, I woke up to the noises. They were so creepy though.
It was like knife going through a person noise. That's what you said.
No, it were like rattling. No, it were like maybe like when you open a wrapper, it rattles, doesn't it? No, not like that. No.
This. Or this.
No, it was rattling like. Do you know when you open paper, like open a piece of paper with what food's in? I know.
Or like rip a piece of paper.
Yeah. Like that.